Hey everyone, today we're diving into Intergrate ConvertKit API Key with Getresponse. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss out on the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. First up, you'll need to set up a Zapier account to connect ConvertKit with Getresponse. Head over to the Zapier dashboard, click on Create, and then select Zaps. If you need any assistance, the Copilot is there to guide you. Select both ConvertKit and Getresponse from the list of options and enter the required details on the right side of the screen. To connect your ConvertKit account, click Sign In and input the API key for ConvertKit. Go to ConvertKit, navigate to Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Once you paste it, click Yes, connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Repeat this process to log into your Getresponse account. After that, configure your settings and click Publish, and you're all set. I hope this video makes the process clear and easy for you. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.